So these are the list of eligible companies not eligible for incentives. So as sugar, so you can see the list which companies are not eligible for incentives. The next one, which is sunrise sector, I told you, right, which are going to have a boom in the near future. Sunrise sector industries. So next you have the calculation for flexible capital subsidy for a company. That calculation is given here, and standard subsidy and other things are given. So this is the scale. So how much investment you are doing in crores and how much employment you are going to generate. So that is going to be the scale factor. Okay. And employment, different types of industries, it is large, mega, and ultra large. So three types of industries are there, and depending on the investment and how many employment they are going to generate. Accordingly, you will calculate the investment distribution period. So everything is mathematics. So once you have if you give the details of the company, you will calculate the subsidy and other things, and you can claim how much subsidy you want and for how many years you will be having.